What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Naturally Curly, aka Naturally Lazy, because as you can see, I have not really done my hair and it looks bad. And that's probably me talking about how bad my hair is and how long it's been since I've actually combed it and washed it. So I'm nappy, I'm dirty, and we're gonna try and fix this. So we're gonna do a flat twist today, and I'm going to go ahead, I'm gonna head into the shower and wash and condition. Okay, so I am out of the shower. I've washed and conditioned and detangled. I'm using Cantu leave-in, and I'm using the Curls Unleashed for my curling pudding today. So I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair, and I like doing side parts when I do my flat twist. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair to the side. You know, you don't have to do that. That's just how I like my hair when I do flat twists. Oh, girl, you are just so cute. Yes, girl, get them. I'm not great at parting either. I'm not the best parter. I be seeing people and they parts be just so crispy. Y'all see I'm struggling. It's okay though. Just be you. Just be you. Yep, so I'm gonna just go ahead and twist that out the way. You go, girl. Twist that hair. Yes, you got it. Okay. And I'm gonna put it out the way, and then I'm going to start by adding some leave-in conditioner to that side of my hair. My hair dries fast too, so I have to be quick. Hurry up and add that. Yes, girl. Add that stuff. You got it. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure I'm all saturated, you know. Get all the little sections, make sure I'm all good, and yeah. After that, we're gonna start parting for our flat twist, so stay tuned. Okay, so I have my first part for my first flat twist. I'm gonna use my Curls Unleashed curling souffle. It's very light, it smells really good, and it actually works pretty good on my hair. The Cantu, not too much, because I don't really like their products, but they don't really work that well on my hair. But that's my last resort stuff. I was running out, so I had to do what I had to do. I'm always looking for something. Don't mind me. Oh, I think I'm on the phone with my husband. I am. Oh, hey, husband. Yep, so I'm just making sure I'm detangling. Making sure that, you know, I don't have any kinks or tangles or knots when I start flat twisting. So I'm going to start flat twisting. I do not know how to explain flat twisting. I literally learned how to flat twist my hair when I was playing in my hair one day. So it's kind of like French braiding, but it's with 2 strands of hair instead of 3 strands of hair. So you kind of just take one of your strands of hair, you twist it over, and then you take hair from underneath, and then you just keep repeating that. Comb it out, make sure it's all good, nice and detangled. And I usually add like a little bit more product to my ends because my ends are terrible and they need to be clipped. But that's besides the point. We can do this. We got this. And then you just repeat. Yep, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my head after I get off the phone. Yes, girl, yes. You're doing your hair. That's right. So we're gonna start another one. Go ahead. Yeah, we're gonna start another one. My hair's drying, so I wet my hair to make sure that my products are well incorporated and to make sure my hair is not matted up and tangled up, because like I said, my hair dries quick, so I have to re-moisturize. You better dance. Where? Okay. How did my brush get out there? This is so funny. How my brush get out there? I'm actually doing this voiceover and I'm kind of sick. Don't judge me, y'all. Okay, so this is me starting my second twist, taking 2. I'm trying to slow it down so you guys can like actually see it a little bit. So there you go, bam. Just twist it up. It's simple, easy. And I'm almost done with this section. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm on my last piece of hair for that section for my flat twist. Yes, girl. Comb it out. Gotta detangle it. Make sure it's all nice and deep. Girl, yes, girl. Curls popping. I see you. Yes, girl. Do it. Ow. Okay. And this the last twist. Start it off. Same way, 2 strands. Then you reach underneath. I'm telling you, I don't really know how to explain it. I'm not like a real naturalista or anything. I kind of just go with the flow, do what I learned. Okay, girl, twist it up, twist it up, hey, twist it up, hey, twist it up, hey. That should be a song. I should make that. Yeah, dance, girl, because that should be a song. Okay, and we are done with the first section. They don't look that bad for somebody that don't really do hair. Go ahead. Okay, and then we finna start with the rest of the head. I'll be back. I am on my last twist, and it's looking pretty nice, looking real fresh. I see you, girl. I'm up there just jamming. Yep. And after that, I usually like to let my hair air dry. You know, some people sit under a hooded dryer. I don't have one of those, so I usually let my hair air dry for a few hours, and then of course, you know, at night I wrap it up, I put my bonnet on, and then I go to sleep. Yes, girl, you did that. You do that. You celebrate. Yep. So, oh no. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna say I didn't do the back of my head. Okay, I finished it now. Now I'm finished. Yes. Those are some pretty good looking flat twists. They alright. They're not the best, but you know, they the best for me. I did alright. I don't do other people's hair. I just do mine. Yes, girl. Now I'm finna wrap it up, and then I'm finna go to sleep. Yeah, celebrate that hang time. Yes, I see your length, growth. I see you. Yeah, so I'm finna go ahead, wrap my hair up, and then I'm gonna go to sleep, and then we're gonna wake up, and we're gonna take it down. Hopefully, it was dry. I don't remember. I recorded this a while ago. Hopefully, it was dry. All right, good morning, sunshine. Yes, girl, time to get the day started. Yes, take that off, and take off that do-rag, and we finna start this takedown process. Yes, girl, I'm excited. I'm not that excited. I'm just trying to be excited, I guess. Yep, and I'm checking, make sure that it's dry. Because if you take down your flat twist when your hair is dry, that's when it gets really frizzy and really tangled, and it just doesn't look good. You just look like a big bush. Ain't nothing wrong with looking like a big bush, you know, if that's what you want to go for, but you know, that's not the look I was going for. You know, I wanted some nice defined looking curls, so wanted to make sure that all of my twists were dry before I started to take it down. And I think I added oil before I started taking them down. I want to say that I did, but I'm not sure. I hope I did. There go that one piece of hair that I always miss every time. Yes, girl, disappointed. Every time I twist my hair, it's always that one piece of hair that I always miss in the back of my head that never ends up in the twist, and it just sits out, just looking stupid. Yeah, girl, I know, right? Disgust. But we're going to add some oil, and we're going to take this hair down. Yes. Wake up. Yes, girl, you are cute. Beautify yourself. Yes. Nothing, you know, a little eyeshadow, you know, a little mascara and lip gloss go a long way. So that's me adding oil to my hands to take down my hair. So when you take down your flat twist, you do want to make sure that you take your time, you know, because you don't want to rush. That's when you know, you get the frizzies. And, you know, you don't want the frizzies. So you want to take your time and make sure that you are taking your time. Yes. And it's very simple, you know, you just take it down, and people usually take it down and then separate. I like to separate while I'm taking it down because it saves me time, because I don't be having time to do all of this. So today I must have had time, because I never have time to do my hair. I'm always at work, and I'm either eating or sleeping. But yeah, so I add oil to my hands. I probably should have added oil to my whole head versus just my hands to help saturate my hair a little bit better and help keep me from getting the frizzies. But my hair was going to be frizzy regardless because my ends needed to be clipped. But we'll tackle that in another video, clip our ends. But yep, you see me just taking it down and fluffing it out. And yeah, that's me on the last part, right in the front section. The top of my head looks wonderful. It looks wonderful. But the bottom is a little frizzy because my ends, like I said, they weren't that great. But it's still cute. I'm still cute. Yep, so I'm going to just keep on taking down my hair. I'll be back. Alright, I've taken down my last twist, fluffing it out a little bit. Girl, you are cute. Yes, lip gloss popping. So right here, I'm sectioning my hair into two parts, and I am twisting it up from the back all the way up to the top, and then I'm putting it in like a little bun on the top of my head. It's just like my little way of stretching my hair. I usually just leave it up there for like 20-30 minutes before I leave out the door, and then I take it down and my hair is like stretched a little bit, you know, give it a little hang time, you know, a little volume. But yeah, so that's me taking it down, and as you can see, it stretched it a little bit, not a lot, just, you know, slight. And you know, it came out real cute. Yes, girl. You popping. You is popping. You cute. Yes. So that is my flat twist. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be trying to upload once a week, and I'll be doing product reviews, and I'll also be trying different hair tools and everything. So you guys come on through to my channel and see what's popping. Yes, fluff it out. Fluff it out. That's me just fluffing it out. You get real good volume when you do it like that. Yeah, when you put your head down and go from the back. Yeah, that's how you get that real good volume. Yes. Yes, thank you guys for watching. You know, hit the subscribe button and the little bell to get notifications. And I will see you all in the next video. Yes, girl, you are beautiful. You all are beautiful. Beautiful black queens. Y'all stay bright. I love y'all. And I will see y'all in the next video. Girl, yes, you check that. Look at that hang. Yes, girl. It's long. I see you. I love you. Bye.